It seems we live in a world of standards, where customs and conformity reign supreme over the lives of mankind, and where nothing dare change the course of our history. You truly believed it? To accept it would be to deny my very existence and forget that I am here to move that which may seem immovable. I seek to disrupt and jostle convention with a desire to push boundaries and reach new heights. In Avènu, I set my sights on this place, and over time I reshaped its destiny in my own special way. Through the rich minerals and biological composition that defines my being, my properties are unique. Through my strength and my virtues, this has become an exceptional place, and the products that flow from here are beyond compare. In reality, the efficacy and superiority of Eau Thermale Avène products are but a means for me, and not an end in itself. Through these products, I bestow on you a little of what I am. I become accessible. I am the one who challenges the established rules to show the world that nothing is beyond our reach. I am unique. I am you. I am Eau Thermale Avène.